This looks strangely familiar. It's about 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in the morning, and we're once again by the coast. We're gonna board a monster of a ship, literally that's its name, Monster, and we're gonna head out fishing. We're late already? We're late already, man. Sons of guns.
낚싯대 꼽아놓은 데는 안 돼. 이런 데. Why?
위에요.
저기 낚싯대 꼽아놓은 데는 주인이 있어요. 오너.
Owner's down there.
There is a battle for rod spaces. The idea is to get here early and like reserve the front, as Eli told us. But since we're non-local, we get pushed around. So Eli stood his ground, or our ground rather. The rod rental opens up at 5:30, I think. So we gotta wait for about 20 minutes to get the rod so we can shove them into holes and reserve our spaces. We've secured some spots. We push people out of the way. Kind of.
Yep.
Spirits are high. We're in the front, which is very good because that's
We're
what
getting our rations.
I made some sandwiches with a lot of sugar in them, so that should keep us going. Did you pop your pill?
I did, yeah.
All right. We've got some
rock and roll.
motion sickness pills. We're off. It's a lot darker than it was last time. The sun is rising slightly. The last boat was packed. On this one there are not many people. And we got the front, so yeah. First stop, no pajamas. Fake captain got some, but we didn't. Got a nice fish.
I got a fish.
체인지. 써.
Oh.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh, that's a big size, man.
Yeah, big size.
That's a big size fish. All right. What is it? Describe your experience.
It was exhilarating. Freaking fish. I didn't record it. Got a nice fish. That's a biggie. It's like 1.5 meters. I don't know. It's a big bastard. It's the same fish. It's a Spanish mackerel. Because I guess that's what we're catching today. Eli says to get to the yellowtail, we gotta do what?
Surface.
Very brief. Surface.
Surface to.
Check out the sunshine. Sunrise. Beautiful.
자, 20m. 거기 보기 시작하면 15m 만나셨습니다.
Eli's looking very stylish. Very chilled. There's a bunch of boats that are fishing as well. Looks like 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And we're right near the coast. Last time we went out pretty far in the ocean, in the water. This time the power plant is like right in front of us.
Two-headed fish here, man.
Yeah, we're three-eyed. It's 8 o'clock in 10 minutes.
How long do you usually fish till?
11, yeah, 10, 11. But the boat itself didn't catch that many so far, eh?
Yeah.
Like last time on Putang, people were just reeling in. He's got 1, 2,
There's 4 here, 2.
3, 4. In the back there's a few, right?
Yeah.
Casting.
That's a lot. That's a lot. Kind of a technique.
Not quite. These guys are going. I can't even do that. Like, there's no tension on that. There's no tension. Took a short break for whatever reason, and now we're heading back out somewhere to another spot. Hopefully a little bit further in water. What's the opposite of inland? Into the open sea. Ben is messaging all his friends to tell them how successful we're being.
Putting the photos on the cat albums, man.
Nice.
Getting ahead of the game. Whilst you were catching the monsters, I was taking photos.
Nice. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's beautiful, right?
바람 안 넣네. 올라와.
보고 안쪽에 던져놓을게요.
너.
Done. We're back on land. I was waiting for the captain a little bit. Well, we were waiting for the captain for a little bit, hoping that we could interview the fella and, you know, just say thanks, dude, introduce him to the world of living Korea. But he didn't show up, so we're heading out. We're heading back because we're all knackered. We had a little snack and we're ready to go home. That's easier. Mama say, mama sama, mama pusa. How's your trip, boys?
Fantastic. Awesome.
Fantastic. Right, so everyone's happy. We're going. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. We'll see you in the next one. Laters.